Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change home address on Google Maps. If you've ever wanted to update your home address on Google Maps, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, open up Google Maps on your device. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. There you will be able to see your home, work, and other location. Tap the More button on the top right and then click on the three dots right next to Home. Now click on Edit Home and then click on Choose on Map. You can then go ahead and drag this little red locator, scroll through the map and place it on your home location that you want to set to. Right after you go ahead and drop the pin, click on OK at the bottom. And you have now successfully changed your home location. So now, whenever you use Google Maps to get direction, your home address is all set to the new one. Remember, this also works if you need to update your work address or any other saved places. You can do this for multiple addresses. Whether you want to update your work or another place, the process is the same. Now you are all set to get the most accurate directions every time. Thanks for watching, everyone. If this helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell so that you don't miss out on future tutorials. Drop a comment if you need help with anything else, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.